Welcome to this lecture on internal controls in manufacturing and supply chain. In this session, we'll explore how effective internal control systems help manufacturing and supply chain organizations maintain efficiency, accuracy, and reliability across their operations. Manufacturing and supply chain environments are complex, involving multiple processes such as procurement, production, inventory management, logistics, and distribution. Each of these processes carries significant operational, financial, and compliance risks. Internal controls provide the structure to manage these risks, safeguard assets, and ensure that operations align with business objectives. Let's begin with the objectives of internal controls in manufacturing and supply chain. 1. Ensure the accuracy and reliability of production and inventory data. 2. Safeguard materials and finished goods against loss, theft, or damage. 3. Promote efficiency and cost-effectiveness in production and logistics. 4. Prevent fraud, waste, and misuse of resources. 5. Comply with quality standards, safety regulations, and contractual obligations. The COSO framework serves as the foundation for manufacturing and supply chain control systems, focusing on 5 components: control environment, risk assessment, control activities, information and communication, and monitoring. Let's explore how internal controls are applied in key manufacturing and supply chain functions. Procurement is the starting point of the supply chain, and strong controls are vital to prevent fraud, favoritism, and overpayments. Vendor vetting and approval processes. Segregation of duties between purchase requests, approvals, and payments. 3-way matching of purchase orders, goods receipts, and supplier invoices. Periodic review of supplier performance and pricing. These controls ensure transparency, fair competition, and accurate expense recognition. 2. Inventory often represents one of the largest assets on a manufacturing company's balance sheet. Real-time inventory tracking through barcode or RFID systems. Regular physical counts and reconciliation with system records. Authorization for inventory adjustments or write-offs. Segregation of access to inventory storage and record-keeping functions. These controls help prevent shrinkage, obsolescence, and misstatement of inventory balances. Production processes must balance efficiency, quality, and cost control. Standard cost systems and variance analysis to monitor deviations between actual and expected costs. Quality control checkpoints throughout the production line. Equipment maintenance schedules to prevent downtime. Work in progress tracking to monitor production status and efficiency. Automation plays a key role here. Manufacturing execution systems integrate with ERP platforms to provide real-time visibility into production activities, improving control precision. Or, once products are manufactured, they move through warehouses and transportation networks to reach customers. Shipment authorization and verification procedures. Reconciliation of delivery documentation with sales orders. Carrier performance monitoring to ensure reliability and cost control. Access controls and surveillance systems at warehouses to prevent theft or misplacement. Supply chain disruptions, such as supplier failures, transportation delays, or geopolitical risks, can have major financial and reputational consequences. Supplier diversification and contingency planning. Contract management systems that enforce compliance with terms and conditions. Continuous monitoring of supplier financial health and delivery performance. Scenario planning and stress testing to anticipate disruptions. Let's consider a practical example. A manufacturing company noticed recurring discrepancies between raw material usage and recorded production output. An internal audit revealed that inventory adjustments were being made manually without authorization. To fix this, management implemented system-based approval workflows, automated tracking through RFID technology, and segregation of inventory and accounting roles. As a result, accuracy improved and losses dropped significantly. Technology is revolutionizing manufacturing controls. The use of IoT sensors, blockchain, and data analytics enables real-time monitoring of production quality, shipment tracking, and supplier performance. Predictive analytics can identify control breakdowns or bottlenecks before they impact operations. In addition to financial accuracy, manufacturing controls must also ensure compliance with health, safety, and environmental HSE standards. Routine inspections, training programs, and automated safety monitoring systems help prevent accidents and ensure compliance with regulations such as OSHA and ISO 14001. Monitoring and continuous improvement are critical. Management and internal audit teams should regularly assess control effectiveness, review exception reports, and conduct root cause analyses of deviations. This feedback loop drives better decision-making and fosters a culture of accountability. To summarize, internal controls in manufacturing and supply chain management protect assets, enhance efficiency, and ensure operational excellence. By integrating automation, data analytics, and proactive risk management, organizations can achieve both control reliability and competitive advantage. In our next lecture, we'll discuss internal controls in the public sector, exploring how government agencies design controls to promote transparency, accountability, and stewardship of public resources. Thank you for joining me in this session on internal controls in manufacturing and supply chain.